Want to make more money? Top side hustles revealed. What's up, everybody? It's Mac here, and today we're talking about making that money. Times are tough. Maybe you want to buy that new game, treat yourself to something nice, or just get ahead financially. Whatever your goal is, side hustles can help you get there. I've got 5 awesome side hustles that you can start today, no matter your background. We're gonna break down each hustle, show you how to get started, and how much you can potentially earn. Let's do it! Words that make you wealthy. Freelance writing. Are you a master wordsmith? Do people say you should write a book? Well, guess what? You can get paid for those skills right now. Freelance writing is booming. Businesses everywhere need writers for websites, articles, social media, you name it. Getting started is easier than you think. There are tons of freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can create a profile and start pitching clients. Don't worry about being a pro right away. Just showcase your best work. How much can you make? The sky's the limit. Seriously. Experienced freelance writers can earn 6 figures or more. Even starting out, you can easily make some extra cash every month. So, if you're ready to turn your words into wealth, give freelance writing a shot. Sharing is caring and earning. Online tutoring. Are you a math whiz? A history buff? Maybe you're fluent in another language. If you've got knowledge to share, online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. There's a huge demand for tutors right now, especially with online learning becoming more popular. Subjects like math, science, and English are always in high demand, but don't be afraid to niche down. If you're passionate about something, chances are someone wants to learn it. Finding clients is easier than ever too. Online tutoring platforms connect you with students of all ages. Plus, you can set your own hours and rates. Work from home, in your pajamas, you do you. This is a great way to make a difference in someone's life while making some serious cash on the side. Are you a creative soul? Do you love making things with your hands? Turn that passion into profit by selling your handmade crafts online. Platforms like Etsy have exploded in popularity, giving creators a global marketplace to showcase their unique products. From jewelry and candles to home decor and personalized gifts, there's a market for almost anything. The key is to create high-quality, desirable products that people will love. Think about what's trending, what people are searching for, and don't be afraid to put your own spin on things. Remember, good photos and descriptions are key to attracting buyers. Take the time to present your crafts in the best light possible and watch the sales roll in. Looking for a flexible side hustle that gets you out and about? Ride-sharing and delivery services like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Grubhub are where it's at. These platforms let you be your own boss. Set your own hours, choose your preferred gigs, and earn money on your own terms. It's perfect for students, people with full-time jobs, or anyone who wants more control over their schedule. Plus, you get to meet new people, explore your city, and who knows, maybe discover some hidden gems. The earning potential is solid too, especially during peak hours or special events. So if you're ready to hit the road and line your pockets, give ride-sharing or delivery services a try. Have you ever wanted to get paid for sharing products you love? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is all about. Here's how it works. You partner with a brand or company, promote their products or services on your social media, website, or even just through word of mouth, and earn a commission on every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The key is to choose products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience. Whether it's tech gadgets, fashion finds, or online courses, there are endless opportunities to explore. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your passions, build a following, and potentially earn passive income over time. So there you have it, 5 awesome side hustles that can boost your income and change your life. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. I'm thinking about doing a challenge where I try out one of these side hustles myself for a whole month. Should I do it? Let me know. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Peace out.